Alright guys, so this is the mess that we're gonna deal with. It looks nice and tidy right now, but don't be deceived by what's outside. So I want to organize this so that when I am going to sleep, I could relax better. This used to be much cleaner and organized, and over like past 5 years I haven't really did anything, and then past year with my shoulder injury I really didn't do anything. So the mess, this is very embarrassing. I could barely open. The mess has built up. I could barely open the whole thing. So the goal is, and then this I just threw in all medications, everything. I'm getting rid of all of these meds. I don't need it anymore. So there's a lot of junk in there, so I'm getting rid of it. I'm gonna properly dispose it through the township. I'm gonna get rid of it. I am gonna clean this, and I'm gonna show you how I organize, and I'm gonna go through what I have and what I use them for. So let's just get started. I am gonna show you some of it. I'm gonna speed up and make this process fast, and I'm just going to show you at the end what I'm left with. So I emptied up the whole drawer, and that is the mess over there. I am going to put stuff back, only the stuff that I really need and use, and that's going to make my evenings a little bit more relaxed. I'm organizing the whole house. I just got a new job, so I need to organize and prep everything in the house so that my life is easier getting stuff in and out the house. So I could function better and be organized. So let's do this. Alright guys, so this is the final product. So on top of my table I have my bed remote. I have an automatic bed, so I have that remote. I have my iPhone charger that I just got. This is really cool that I get to, put my iPhone and it doesn't slide and it charges. This charger's in the back. This is one of the Amazon product that I talked about in my Amazon video. I will link it below if you haven't watched it. I also have a heater and like a fitted sheet that's a heater on my bed. So this is the control for that. I just turn it on right before I go to bed, and it warms up my whole bed so I don't have to go into the cold bed. Of course, I have my candle, and this is the eucalyptus mint, my favorite. I like to light my candle and read something or browse through the phone. I also like to apply lotion and stuff like that. I have a little ritual before I go to bed. I like to have some of these books just over here. These are such a great books. This is 12 Rules of Life. I like to glance at it once in a while. I read the whole book. This is just a summary. And then this book is 101 conversation starter for couples. So like if you're in bed having quality times, these are like some good quality conversation starters. And these are like some little silly little activities that couples could do. So I like to have it here, glance over it, and remind myself to do those. I always carry this around nowadays a whole day, and I refill it, so this way I get my water for the day. So I also like to bring it up and finish it up and take my meds with it. And of course I have a box of tissue here. Now to the first drawer. So this is the end results. Let's go through it one at a time. All right, so this is the end product to what I did. It looks so much better. I have so much space. I could open my drawers, so I'm so happy. So let's go through what we have here. So I have, let's start with this. So like I said, I like to use lotion on my feet and my hand right before I go to sleep. And I love the peach scents, like I have mentioned in my previous video. And then I have a little massager, so if my back is sore, I like to put it like this and I lie on it and go back and forth. So I like to have this on. Sometimes my foot hurts, my back hurts, so this is like a quick little thing, like especially like sometimes she will ask me to give him a massage. I like to keep facial mask, not that I do it every day, once in a while I like to have that. And then there's a foot mask because I have really bad dry foot, and it's like a little socks that has moisturizer, and then you put it on and then leave it on for a while. Same thing with your hands. I have dry hands also, so wintertime I like to use these, and I replace it when I finish, when I use them up. So I like to have one of each. I also have some Aquaphor, a chapstick, and this Vaseline. So like for the lips, you know, I switch back and forth from all this. I also use a lip mask after I wash my face, and then I use this throughout the day or throughout the night when my lips get dry. I have a flashlight. It comes in handy just in case if there's power shortage or anything like that. I have the scrunchie. I love to put this on. I hate having my hair around me when I'm sleeping, so I like to put the scrunchie. So scrunchies won't give you like the wrinkle in the hair, so if you have washed your hair and straightened it, I like to have scrunchies when I sleep, and it's more comfortable. I have a Purell, of course, always. You never know when you need it. And then I have my rescue inhaler. I have my earphone here because sometimes I like to, you know, watch YouTube videos or listen to music before I go to bed, and I won't disturb Shibu then. And I also have this one over here, which is a bigger one. So I have two sets of headphones. And then I have another pair of headphones here. These are the ones with speakers in them, so if I have a phone call that I take and I don't want to hold the phone, I use them. So I put that right here. These two, I use it like during the daytime or very less frequently, so that's why this is here. This I use more often, and I love this thing that keeps it untangled, like it doesn't tangle my headphones. I got this from Container Store, and I love this little gadget. Then I have my eye mask, because sometimes Shibu likes to watch TV and I like to sleep early, so, you know, eye mask. And then I wear glasses, so at night I take my glasses off after I take my contacts off. I put my glasses, and then I like to take the glasses off and put it in here. There's a glass case. This is something that I really love. So let me put it right here. So this smells like lavender, and this has, I don't know what it has. It feels like little beans or something. It's really comfy, really soft. You could put it in the microwave and get it hot, or you could put it in the freezer and get it cold. And it smells amazing, like lavender. And you could put these around your neck. So I like to use that when my neck is sore, or if I had a long day. You put it on your neck, your arms, your shoulder, whatever. So I like to keep that here so I know when to find it. And then I have a few of my journals and the book that I use to write ideas that popped into my mind, or, you know, stuff like that. And then I have my Cup of Faith. It's like a devotional, guided devotional. And then this is my mission trips and other journal. This is my journal. And this is another book that I write all my YouTube stuff. So I like to have that. And then, of course, I have some pen and some highlighter here. So that's my first drawer, stuff that I frequently use. So stuff that I use immediately is here and here. so it's closer to me. My bed is over here, and stuff that I use but not so frequently are right here. And I also wanted to show you guys how I arranged my cords over here. So all these chargers and stuff, I have these 3 little things that I got from Container Store, so they hold the cord. So even if you unplug it, like here, my phone is unplugged, but this stays right here. So it's easy for me to find my cords. And this is for my wireless headphones. This is for my phone, and this is for my iWatch. So I like the fact that, you know, my cords then doesn't get lost and tangled. So I love that. That's the little thing that I put inside of my dresser. So the next drawer, it's very simple. I have all my meds. I have take a lot of meds in the morning and the night, so I have it in here. And then this drawer is empty, but I keep Tylenol and Motrin and extra stuff that I don't want to keep bottles of that I could quickly get to. I have extra 2 bottles of water just in case I need it at night. I don't have to go far. And then this is all my other meds that, you know, that I fill in here, and then the backup, so it's right there. And basically that's all I have: my inhaler, my nasal spray, and my EpiPen, and then some medication for my sore muscle. So that's it. And I am able to open this. I got rid of like all unnecessary medications and medications that I don't use, and I got rid of all of that. This is just strictly what I use now. And I love looking at it. I love opening it, and this makes my heart happy. And this is going to make my night routine so much easier and be able to use everything in here. And I am so happy that I got to do this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful. Let me know what you guys have in your side table and what you guys do to make your night routine special and relaxing. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. And have a great, blessed day. God bless.